Nigeria's youth are very angry. This court case between Akpabio and Natasha is increasing day by day because the court don't want to settle this issue amicably. Because Akpabio is powerful than Natasha, they keep postponing this issue, of which that everybody in this country have a right to say what he or she feel like. But in this country, if you do it and you don't have somebody, nobody will listen to you. Now, Natasha had a court case with Akpabio. Since then, she was thrown out of office or she was suspended. Now, watch this video from Randy Peters, what she said in this video. When we come back, we discuss more on this. Watch.
It's what our law enforcement agents are about. It is about hampering on and victimizing lawful citizens who are armless, while non-kidnappers and bandits are holding press conferences in Katsina. The officers that are here, how much is their salary? How much are their pension? Some of them are even being owed salary. But they are here to uphold lawlessness. They are here to uphold dysfunctionality and the breaking of the law. I am a lawless citizen. Senator Natasha is duly elected by her people. She is here to resume. She will resume without any conditions. This parliament is not Akpabio's house. It is the people's parliament. Natasha was elected the same way Akpabio was elected. And she will resume and continue plenary. And 2027, by God's grace, when we reform INEC and fix election, Akpabio must go. Politicians like Akpabio will be retired from this country so that Nigeria can move forward. All this one,
I am the spokesperson for Senator Violence in the Ibria Land initiative, the senatorial district in which Senator Natasha is representing. You can see that even some of the people are here on solidarity, but I have the direct consequence of the actions and inactions of the 10th Assembly. Okay? Our people have been denied, have been treated below standards. He succeeded. Akpabio have demonstrated an overwhelming capacity. But other senator, is Akpabio entering here? Akpabio is coming to our office. Why is Natasha not coming to the office? So what we are saying today is that the justice that have been meted on the people of Kogi Central has to be addressed. The purpose of governance is security and welfare of the people. In 2025 budget, Kogi Central he started some projects for our people. Where are the projects? Our senator is not given opportunity to be heard. It is a crime to say somebody wants to sleep with me when he wants to do that.
Now, you heard what Randy Peters said in this video. What he said is like what is happening in the National Assembly. In the National Assembly, yes, but though we are not there, it is only for those who are there to witness everything happening over there. Now, in the other hand, Aisha Yetsefu says something in this video, still on the case of Akpabio and Natasha. And what she said is correct. Just watch this.
Now, and so for me, I would say that the Senate has done well, and the Senate, should recover its power as the Senate and not be focused on what an individual is doing or is going to do. Wherever two senators have, let them fight it amongst themselves. Let the instrument of the institution should not be used. After saying that, the next thing I'm going to say is that how are we okay as Nigerians with our taxpayers' money being wasted? Yesterday, I was in court with Senator Natasha at the Federal High Court. Today again, I'm in court here with Senator Natasha over the same issue raised by the state, the federal government, through the Attorney General's office, wasting money, wasting judicial time, precious judicial time on a case that is between individuals. Why are individuals abusing the instrument of the state to pursue whatever it is that they have? This has to stop. In anything that we do, Institutions must be sacrosanct. We must never have strong men or strong women, but we must have a strong institution that are there to protect Nigerians and take care of their welfare. At this moment, I think something, needs to give. Even the judiciary should be at a place where they will no longer allow themselves to be the willing tool of corrupt politicians. Thank you.
Beautiful. After a 6-month wait, the office of the distinguished senator, Natasha, has been unsealed. The immediate reaction.
We're just getting that information on the pages of our social media. So we've not received any official information from the Senate. So we'll be waiting for official information from the Senate.
So if adventure is open, how do you feel given that we had a lot of back and forth in the court cases and now that the aim was for her to be recalled to the Senate? So how do you feel?
As constituents, we feel that we've been shortchanged for long. This is supposed to have come long before now. And obviously we'll be asked for reparation.
Any other question? Thank
Your
you.
full name again, please.
My name is Jacob Ibrahim and
I hope you heard what Aisha Yetsefu said in this video. I hope you enjoyed the clip and you heard everything correctly. Only God will save us in this country. And I pray that God will come to our aid, especially those that are not connected. If you don't have somebody in this country, you don't know anybody in this country, you are not in power, may God save us. Amen. Now, after this, you will see or hear what Randy Peter said in conclusion to all this. Let's watch. When we come back, we discuss more on this.
Peter, where you dey go with this, Peter? Hello.
Since we have 3 arms of government in Nigeria, Tinubu, Wike, and Akpabio has become the oracle of Nigeria. Make we kukuma go sleep with them for national assembly. Hey, bro. We not get family and friends. But you see this injustice against Senator Natasha, it will not be sustained. Are you people ready to follow us and let Natasha resume? Say Natasha must resume. Natasha must resume. Akabio, you know fit. For where? For how many months? As we don't come, so everything I need, nightgown, pajamas, even me can make as long as it takes, Natasha will resume to her office. Akabio, Nigerians are ready. Since you not think say Nigerians will be foolish people, where Madam Bay? Make them finish so that you go. They go. Officer, well done. How work? How many of them for Nigeria? Holding Nigerians hostage. Kidnappers there, they carry people for Katsina. Government is not interested in fixing country. Nigerians are hungry. People are jobless. Women are dying from childbirth. Malaria, they kill children.
What do you have to say concerning this video? I hope you heard what Randy said. Drop your own thoughts in the comment section. But for my own opinion, in addition to what Randy said, may God save us in this country. And may God touch the heart of our leaders to know the right thing to do, so that everyone will feel among. everyone will be contented with this country. Drop your own thoughts. See you in my next upload, and bye for now.